YouTube, blow them. I'm back and get another drip video for y'all boys. I told y'all last video to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, because I'm about to unbox another shoe drop that I got. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my new pickups that I got. Shout out to GoodKicks. GoodKicks is an affordable shoe website with the top-notch best shoes you can think of, from all the Jordans. Jordan 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, all the way up to the 14s. They even got all the latest Nike, Kobe, Travis Scotts. They got everything you need. Go shop with them. Link in the description. Follow them on all their social medias, and also follow your boy too. You know what I'm saying? If you're not, you know what I'm saying? I do follow back. You know what I'm saying? Also, this is my second video I'm doing on GoodKicks. They sent me, not too long ago, they sent me these Win Like 82 11s. They sent me these Win Like 82 Jordan 11s, I think last month, I believe. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But they hooked your boy up with these, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna be showing y'all what they hooked your boy up for this month. Well, March. They also hooked your boy up with a discount code GLOW for $15 off. So if you decide to go shop with GoodKicks, use that discount code and you'll get $15 off on your purchase, you know what I'm saying? They also got deals of their own. That's why you gotta check out their website, link in the description and in the comments, bro. Use my discount code, stop playing. If you can tell by the box, you know what I got, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing for all my shoe game lovers out there. They went out their way and they hooked your boy up with a pair of Jordan Thunder 4s, you feel me? Now these are my very first 4s in my collection. I always wanted a pair of 4s. I never thought 4s looked good on me, but depending on the outfit that you got, you can style these bitches, I ain't gonna lie to you. Pay attention to the details, the colorway, the black and yellow on some Wiz Khalifa, you feel me? I also did an unboxing video on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, you know, it's right here, you know what I'm saying? If you don't follow me on social media, go follow me. And also, while you're at it, go follow GoodKicks. Now, recently in my videos, I've been telling y'all that, you know, I've been trying to get away from, you know, the black colorway. I've been trying to brighten up my shoe game, brighten up my clothes game. These can make an outfit pop. Just the black on yellow, I look like Bumblebee, no Transformer. What I love about the shoe is, I like, you know, obviously the colorway, the suede black with the yellow. You know what I'm saying? The bottom's a little dirty. Like I said, I've been wearing these. GoodKicks got all the heat that you need. If you know what I'm saying, Jordans, Nikes, Kobe's, everything, bro. Foam posits, everything. Now I believe these came out what, August, I don't know what date in August, but these came out in August 2000. Well, they debuted it August 2006. And they released these again May 13th, 2023. I always wanted these because I feel like these can go with like a nice little black outfit, yellow black outfit. If you know, I'm wearing all black right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my G Herbo shit. All black, let's go do a hit. I'm gonna put these on, stop playing. These are just fire, bro. Fuego. I see why Jordan added these to their little Jordan lifestyle line. But if you want some Jordan 4s or you just want any pair of Jordans that you don't got in your collection yet, go shop with GoodKicks, link in the description. Use my discount code, link in the description, or just follow on Instagram, and so you can be up to date on what shoes they got. They also dropping new stuff. They got discount code up there. Oh, I know, y'all wanna see what it look like on your boy. That's what you clicked on the video to see. You clicked on the video to see your boy look good. Okay, fine. I'm gonna put them on, fine. Now, my first time putting these shoes on a couple of days ago, they're very comfortable, you know what I'm saying? Still trying to like figure out like how to lace them correctly. If you got any tips or tricks on how to lace the Jordans, let me know, or send me like some tips and tricks in my DMs. And give y'all boys a vlog POV of the shoes. Now, you know, like I said, they go good with, you know, black pants, black sweats, black jeans. I believe the pants I got on is fleece pants. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. I low-key call these type of pants the TheChicagloK pants, because TheChicagloK be wearing these type of sweats and jeans, you know what I'm saying? They're like very type of kind of loose bootleg towards the bottom. You know, look, the yellow makes the whole black pop off. Tight shit, tight shit, tight. I don't know if that angle's good, but I'm gonna give y'all POV of the fit. Tight shit, tight shit, tight shit. All black, let's do it. Head gown, the black sweater, black feet, black fleece sweatpants with the Thunder 4s. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice little casual fit. You know you know, black and yellow on my Wiz Khalifa type vibe, you feel me? You know how like you wear certain shoes and you start walking for a long period of time, your feet start aching and getting sore. So far I've been, as I walk in these, bro, my feet don't get sore, they're very comfortable. They feel good, man, they feel good. Go shop with GoodKicks. GoodKicks gonna get you right. They got me right twice, you feel me? And many more to go. GoodKicks, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for hooking me up and hooking my subscribers up with a discount code and for just blessing our shoe game. So grateful and thankful for y'all, GoodKicks. I don't know what else to say. You know what I'm saying? Glow them, go shop with them. Link in the description. My discount code's in the description. Glow for $15 off. If you don't want to use it, they got discount codes on their website. Go check them out. They're not gonna disappoint you. Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell because I also do got another pickup. I also got some more heat for y'all. I'm probably gonna drop this video next weekend, but make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, because I'm gonna be dropping an unboxing video of what I got in this box, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So that's it for the video. I love y'all boys, I love you GoodKicks, go shop with them. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't just watch and not subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Sub up. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button for your boy. I will be dropping more drip content for y'all boys. And maybe when I get probably 20 shoes in, I'll do like an overall shoe collection, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you have a peace, positive day. Peace, positive night. Take yours out the bath water because we don't do no more minute. Please chill. But she got it for that. Tell start jacuzzi, you dig? Love y'all boys. Gang.